I'm Analou. Welcome to Ateneo de Dabao's Moodle training. I'll be your course technician for this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add a resource URL. This is the course section. To add a URL, click Turn Editing on. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It displays web links. In Moodle, it is very easy to display links to website or links to file uploaded online. The students can get the direct link for the lesson. To add a URL, click on the section you want to add the URL. For example here, click Add an Activity or Resource, click Resources, then select URL. Type the name, for example, the importance of communication. Add a description, for example, get to know the importance of communication, the importance of communication in the new normal situation. In the external URL box, we actually paste or type the name of the URL or web address or the link to the website of uploaded files. For example, I will paste here the link. Then, click Display Description on the course page. Scroll down, then click Save and Return to Course. This is now the URL we've created. To edit this, just click on the Edit menu, just click Edit. You can move the URL to the right, just click Move Right. And you can move it to left. You can also hide this URL from your student. Just click the eye icon. Hidden from students. You can also delete this. That's all. I hope you learned from this tutorial. I enjoyed sharing tips with you. Leave us a feedback and please subscribe to this channel. Check our other tutorials as well. Enjoy learning. Thank you!